in the bathroom. I got the stuff to change the shower heads, and I need to get this thing done so I could do a final tour. So here we go. Hey guys, so the bathroom continues. I should probably get my tripod, but that's the towel rod. This is short. I'm gonna have to get a bigger one. What towel's gonna fit on this? That's for the towel rod. Toilet paper holder. And small pieces. And these little pieces are for the containers. And then we also have a new shower head. Look how big it is. Don't look at me in the background. Just look at the shower head. It is huge. And these are the other parts. There's also the handheld. Oops. There's also the handheld. And the rest of it myself. I should try to do it myself. It even comes with everything. It comes with everything. It even comes with the tools. What? Yeah, that. Oh, that. Yeah, it has a little thing. Look at my tripod. Gosh, darn it! Oh, come out. That's the piece that is gonna put on the wall, and then that goes in there with the hose like that. Like the hose is gonna go in there. The hose, this is gonna go in here. So, oops, it comes with everything. Let's get the little turn off and turn it off on the switch. I should try to do it myself. Look at that, just because it's so white in here. Okay, anyways, we're back in the bathroom. The walls. And I removed the other shower head, which was this one. I removed this one. And I'm going to install this one. I started already. See right there? Started. So yeah, this is all the stuff that came with it. So, whose hair is this, y'all? Wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right, let's go. Let me sit you guys right here. Okay, can you guys see? Let me get out the way. Yeah, you guys can see somewhat. There you go. Don't make fun of me. Take off your shoes. Okay, so that's on. And another one of these. I'm always putting my booty in the way.
Oh, that is ugly now, though. I have to look at this.
Me tool up there. That's the old one. It's down. Girl. And I have that on. Yay! Yes, yes. Thumbs up. Thumbs up for me. Thumbs up. Why is this thing bent? I did it. A thumbs up. Here you go. Here's your recording. I'm doing it by myself. See, it's all over the floor, but I'm doing it. Anywho's, yeah, I'm coming along, guys. Coming along. Oh wait, not yet. I did it. I did it. Woohoo! I did it. Now, turn it on. Let's test it. Turn on the water. Turn on the water first. Now put up it. Oh, shoot! I didn't connect. Ointment on. I did it, guys. I did it. Now I gotta connect the hose. I'm gonna turn off the water. And now I gotta connect the hose. For what, tomorrow?
Good night, Tara, this night.
Yes.
Not you up on the shore, I can't reach.
So you couldn't reach up there to begin with.
Huh?
You couldn't reach up there to begin with.
Me tell you so I can't reach up on the shore there.
Yeah, I gotta move that. I gotta get a different adhesive thing. What if they sell it and put it over here? Because I don't know why I didn't even think of that. That we're all
Anyway, they come to see me. It's all good. Okay. Recording. Nice. That's not really good. That's so cute. Here are the Q-tips.
Who sheet is?
mine.
Here are the Q-tips. Why is it zoomed in? I feel like it's zoomed in, but it's focusing you. Here are the Q-tips. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is
Here. What are these called? Cotton pads? This is so.
She interrupted my recording.
No, this is. You have this. Here's the floss. Please stop interrogating me. It's not focusing.
You're taking forever with that.
But it's not focusing. Come on.
See, you interrupted my recording. Record on your phone.
But this is for your video, for your bathroom. Okay, I'm done. I won't focus.
Boring. I'm doing it by myself. See, it's all over the floor, but I'm doing it. Anywho's, yeah, I'm coming along, guys. Coming along.
You have a whole camera.
Yeah, but I also have the reels, you know, that make the reels. Alright, next step is the head.
What else do you want to put on there?
A little more white thing. Whew. How? Oh, it's coming along. Just gotta take those out, clean that section out, and whew, shining. It's glistening. It's a glistening. So am I. I'm sweating. It's a very hot day to be doing any type of cleaning. But yeah, got rid of that other shower thing. And here is the new shower head that I installed. I did it myself. I did it myself. I sure did not. That's the video that I deleted. What about that? Oh, that could go downstairs. That's not, put it over there. That's not gonna do a good job. Okay, still got, that's what we look like. This is what we look like. This is, I need to get some under counter organizers. Yep. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be back. Oh, let me see if I can get a little time lapse for you guys. Trash. Only thing right here, Daddy got a here. I put another piece of tile here because this the water is settling. Yeah, unless you couldn't put them in a Ziploc bag and neat them up or something. Put these on the wall. Have to put these up. What's she doing? The behind the scenes, see? It's all fun and games when you see it, the complete work, but this is the behind the scenes. Those are up, and then of course, all of this, all that goes into cleaning, all of this, yep, it's not all fun and games, see? All of this. It's not all fun and games. This is all the cleaning. Hi guys, welcome to the bathroom tour. So yeah, so basically everything in this bathroom was replaced, minus the heater. Yeah, and this little cabinet has always been for hair products, you know. Black girls rock, we need our products, and tons of it too. And of course hair brushes and stuff. I still need to put stuff on the top shelf right here. Picked up these picture frames from, I think it was Home Goods or Marshalls for 20 bucks for the two. I ordered these from Amazon, I swear to you, probably a year ago. These shelves from off of Amazon probably a year ago, maybe 20 something dollars. I paid for those. Burlington for the shower curtain. I would say probably $14.99, if not $16.99. In the shower head I got off of Amazon. That piece does not go with it. The piece that came, I can't get it to fit. Still trying to figure that out. But the rain shower head I got from Amazon, I installed that myself. That was $36, I think. And these shelves I also picked up from Amazon for 20 something dollars. I got these from Burlington. I think it was $9.99. One says, "You are the bubbles to my bath." And this one says, "Lather, rinse, repeat." I am thinking about painting the frame black because they're so light. They're basically lost on the white wall. Also, the same thing for this big wall over here. I am considering painting it black as well, or wallpaper. I'm not sure. I have to sit on it and see. Black on top and some board and batten on the bottom. I'm not sure yet, still considering it. And over here we have a new sink and cabinet region. And I have to show you guys the mirror, but I'm not showing myself. So hold on and I'll show you guys the mirror. We'll stand outside and show you guys the mirror. I need to finish cleaning it. I got that. It's basically a medicine cabinet, and I got that from Home Depot for $175. Don't look at me. It has shelves inside. I picked these up from Amazon as well. And of course, face products. I got it after the wall was already put in, and if I thought about it before, I would have had him built it into the wall, but it was too late. But we needed that for all the women that live in this house, so that was worth it. Got this from Home Depot too. I think we paid $230 something or $290 something, I'm not sure. That faucet piece was from Home Depot as well. That was $89.99. Got these from Home Goods. It's $7.99 and $9.99. Also got the trash can from Home Goods. That was $19. And the toilet brush holder and the plunger. $15 and $19. So got this off of Amazon. It comes with a towel bar, which was too small for towels, so we put it here for face towels. Came with that kit, and that was 20 something. So there's Amazon, Home Goods, Home Depot is where I got most of the stuff. The tiles were from Home Depot. Carrera marble tiles with a gray black design. It's on the floor, on the walls, in the shower. This wall I left blank. Like I said, it's an open, clean slate. We gotta work. I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So it's a white, black, gray theme going on in here at the moment. Might not might. I definitely will switch it up. Definitely. It's too bright in a white sense. I need color bright, you know. So yeah, this is the bathroom. I clean the mirror. Don't look at me, people.